Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you. It's Plouise and it's the budget box for July. Had to think then. Look at the size of this box. Some of you may already know what's inside, but if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if not, if you want to get straight into the video to see what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Plouise launched the budget box over a year ago. I'm not exactly sure of the date, but it's been running for over a year, maybe a year and a half. Mainly for makeup artists, so they get a chance to build up their kit full of Plouise products. But obviously you don't have to be a makeup artist to subscribe to this subscription. The cost of the box is £30 and it ships internationally. To the UK, shipping is £1. You're able to go to checkout and it will tell you how much your shipping is if you're out of the UK. Now it works a little bit differently to other subscriptions in that it gets sent out right at the end of the month. So even though we're in August now, only a couple of days in, and actually I've received this box pretty soon because normally it's a good week or so in before I get it. But this is actually their July box. They send all their boxes out the end of the month and then you receive it a week or so later. As well as a monthly subscription, they also offer a 6 and 12 month subscription. Plus you're able to purchase these boxes as one-offs for £30, exactly the same price as the subscription. Unfortunately, you're not able to get this box because the deadline is the end of July. But if you're interested in August's box, which we don't know anything about yet, then if you order now for a one-off box, then it'll be shipped out the same time as the subscription is shipped out for me. So you'll get it within the first week of September. If you follow Plouise on their socials, you are able to pick up some sneak peeks of what might be in the boxes. So you're able to do it that way. I'm not sure if they provide a full spoiler. If you know, please let me know down in the comments so we can all learn about it. But I've been subscribing now since January, February time, something like that. So I've had a good few boxes. Some boxes are better than others. The June box, which I recently unboxed because I've been away on holiday, so it was late uploading. That was a really, really, really great box. The two boxes before that, not so great. Not so much on the products. The products were fine, but we had a lot of repeats. So we had like 3 blushes and then in another box there was like 4 bronzers. Yeah, if you're not a makeup artist, then that might annoy you a little bit. It didn't annoy me. That's a wrong word to say. It underwhelmed me a little bit then because I obviously want to try as many different products as possible. I don't mind 1 or 2, but when you've got more than that in a box, then it's like, oh, I just want a bit more variety. But that is why you will see in the boxes, sometimes you might have like 3 of the same product, but in different shades. And it's because these boxes were designed for makeup artists. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. It's huge. This is the biggest box I've ever received. It's got, you've got great taste. Say hello to your new favourite brand. Your purchase brought into my dreams. Now let my products make you look dreamy. We have got just 3 products this month, but one of them is a newly released palette. This is the Money Shot. I think it's the full one. It's got double tray, which you can buy on the Plouise website for £47. And it's all greens. Oh my gosh. I've been waiting for Urban Decay to come out with a really nice green palette and they haven't done so yet. Oh, look. Hold on, does it move? I've received a palette from them before and these all move. But mine doesn't want to move. It doesn't even want to move. They're supposed to move, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But yeah, all green eyeshadows, which is so exciting. Look. Oh my word. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so amazing. Their last palette was gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. But the actual formulas and everything, amazing eyeshadows. Oh, look. Oh no, I'll have to turn it upside down. Look at that. So you've got a huge selection of metallic shimmers and mattes there, all in different shades. I love that we've got really dark greens, really vibrant emeralds. Oh, I do really like it. And look, what's this down here? We've got a little tray. Oh, that's just come out. I'm assuming you can swap it. You could take this out and put it down the bottom. But these are contrasting shades. These are all mustards and khakis and browns. How amazing is that? Oh, this really, really, really excites me. Oh my gosh, if you'd like me to do a makeup look using these, please let me know. But look at that. Look. Woo. That is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I am so chuffed. So chuffed with that. So let's give you some swatches then. Let's try some from down here. Okay, definitely some of these shimmery ones. Wow. Oh my word. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am hello. I get excited super easily. Oh my gosh, they're so pigmented, look. Oh, what have I done? I've done it sideways. I always do this. Look, oh, flipping aura. Can you see there? Hold on. There. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Try a yellow. Let's try it more over there. Okay. Let's try from here. This walk of... Oh, look at that. Oh, that is just stunning. Stunning. The money shot. Wow. Oh my word. And a matte. Let's go for a matte. Let's go for a green I wouldn't normally use and normally wear. There. Are those any better? Look at that one. You can see my dodgy tan. Oh, they are beautiful. They are really, really gorgeous shades. I am so chuffed with that. Absolutely gorgeous. So many different looks. What's it say? Confidence within is something money can't buy. So we got the brand new. Woo, wants to come out. We got the brand new Money Shot palette. And to go with it, we've got an eyeshadow brush. And this is Too Lost in My Blend 1117. That's a really nice brush. Oh, look. Can you see? Yeah, that is really nice. Nice. And then lastly, we have got a crisp finish. This is Sexy Chili, a cosmetic paint. No, that's all it says, just Sexy Chili. There. I'm assuming it's a gorgeous orangey red colour. No, it's not. Sexy Chili. It's green. Of course, it has to be green. Oh, look at that. I won't put too much out. There. Yeah, 100% happy. Only 3 items, but who cares? You've got a brand new massive palette times 2. So really chuffed with this. I'd love to hear what you think. If you are a subscriber, you might have received your box by now. What do you think of the contents this month? Are you as excited as I am? Or are you a bit disappointed? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, especially if you are new to the subscription. I wonder what you think of it, what you think of the price. I am happy. Definitely happy. One of my favourite boxes so far. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.